How to log into Home Depot credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on logging into your Home Depot credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your mobile device or your computer, and then after type in Home Depot login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links. From there, you're supposed to go ahead and click on the link of Home Depot credit card login or apply as city.com. And once you click on it, you will be landed to the login portal page where you have to enter the correct form of your user ID in the first designated area and followed by the correct form of your password. After you do that, if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or this system to remember your user ID for the future logins, simply check this box over here. But if you have been using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can simply go ahead and click on retrieve your user ID or go and click on reset password to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. And in the case if you have also not registered for your card yet, you can simply go ahead and click on this button over here of register your card option to successfully register to the account. And after you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply go ahead and click on the sign in option that is highlighted in orange color in order to successfully log into your online account. And just like so, this is how you can get logged into your account. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and do like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.